Hey everyone, Tom Gentile from Optionetics and Tom's Trading Room. Here's your market update for July 19th, 2017. Looking towards equities, we have really been pushing the fact that equities are likely to move higher. They have indeed. We are making new all-time highs. This has got a lot of people's heads scratching right now trying to figure out if everyone is so upset with the establishment in Washington. All right, if there's such gloom and doom going on with the economy, why is the stock market going higher? That's the question that's on the minds of a lot of people, but not professional traders. So you take a look here. Now, the support level you see just above 244 right here on the SPY. That is now our new support level as we moved into unknown areas of resistance. The bond market, we actually have a buy signal that came up about 2 weeks ago, our darknet B bullish signal on bonds, and that is moving quite a bit higher. Bonds have been making a really nice lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high move, and we've been getting signals, or darknet signals, buy, sell, and another buy that came just recently. We expect the sell signal to come somewhere in another 2-point move higher in the course of bonds, but we expect bonds to move higher. Going over to the other side of the pond, I hope all of you have taken your international vacation already, because now it's going to cost you more. Back down here a couple months ago when we were discussing this, we saw the euro down around the low 100s, almost par with the US dollar. Not the case anymore, as we've now came back up and are hitting their 2016 highs near 112. I expect there's going to be some resistance in here, but I've said it before and been proven wrong with this particular currency. Now, going towards commodities. Take a look at oil. Oil is starting to put in that higher low and slightly higher high off the yearly lows. This, to me, is a win and is now bullish, technically, even though we are moving through summer and getting into the back half of summer. Technically, this looks good, and I see USO possibly going another 10% higher. That would put us above $50 a barrel oil. Last thing I want to mention to you. So for the beginning of the month, we have been bullish. The money calendar has been giving us many more bullish opportunities than bearish. In fact, this is a great signal for what the overall market has been doing. But take a look what starts happening tomorrow. We start getting into more days where we're seeing orange and even red on the screen. So we've been bullish since the beginning of the month. Earnings are in full swing, and that's what happens when we start getting into the bulk of earnings. We start seeing the volatility creep in, and the money calendar itself is turning neutral for the next 2 weeks, so balance is key. That means that I like to, when I have bullish trades on, have some bearish trades on as well. All right, folks, hey, we got a free trial over at tomsoptiontools.com if you want to check us out, whether it's an option trader you're interested in, or a contrarian trader, which I showed you signals earlier of buys and sells on our charts, the calendar finder, which is part of the complete trader. You can take a test drive on any three of these, www.tomsoptiontools.com. See ya next week.